So, hey guys, for fun this morning, we're going to calculate whether these people can actually retire. I've created these top trump cards with some data, and the idea is I've got 52 cards, and hopefully in that pack of 52, there'll be some actual individuals that look a bit like any of us, really, in terms of their numbers. And our job today is to try and work out whether they're in a position now where they can actually retire. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a spreadsheet calculator, and I'll provide a link to this calculator for anyone that doesn't have it. It's quite useful. Okay, so let's have a look at Tom first. Now, Tom's 65, pension pot of £50,000, monthly expenses 1,300, and he's got a risk appetite for investments classed as medium. Let's tap their numbers in. 65 here. He has savings of £50,000. Now, the monthly income he needs for his spend, this is a gross amount, is £1,300. That's what he needs to bring in gross before tax. He will have a risk appetite that says how much growth he gets after inflation. It's really important that we're after inflation here. So he'll be taking off 2.8% from whatever he's getting there. So 3% there. And we can see here that he's actually got minus £35,000 in his pot by the time he reaches his final age of 85. And we can look at actually what age he is when he runs out of money. He's actually 74 when he runs out of money, so not good. Okay, let's switch across to Sue. And Sue, 61, £200,000. She's got a very low risk appetite, though, Sue. So let's see how these numbers pop out. Retirement, 61, £200,000 in the pot. Gross monthly income of £1,200. And let's go for growth after inflation of 2%. And what's left is £152,000. So she's made it, but let's drop that growth because she's quite risk averse. Now she's got £111,000 left in her pot when she reaches 85. So, fairly comfortable left soon. If you look right down to age 96, she's still got £102,000 by the time she's 96. So fairly comfortable. Let's have a look at Rohan. Now he's 57. He has a pension pot of £500,000. Monthly expenses are £3,500, but a high risk appetite. Let's type the numbers in. 57, £500,000. The monthly spend is £3,500. And let's go for growth after inflation, as he's got a high risk appetite of 5. And he actually runs out of cash here. He's got £139,000. Let's see what age he runs out of cash at. It's actually 80 there, isn't it? Yeah, 80 is when he runs out of cash. But, he's got a higher risk appetite. Let's try a higher number here. Go for 5.5%. Now, when does he run out of money? Now he runs out of money when he's 83. Okay, well, maybe we can push that a little bit further, 6%, because world index is popping out 9% over the last 20 years. So take away 3, leave 6. It's not unreasonable. Now he's actually 87 when he runs out of money here. And to be honest, at 87, is he still going to require £3,500 per month? Probably not. So I would say Rohan is definitely in a kind of safe area here for his retirement expenses. Okay, so you may not have this spreadsheet yet, so pop across here to coffee.com, time to retire. Zoom in a bit there. Coffee.com, time to retire. And you'll find quite a number of useful spreadsheets here that I've developed. So if you go to the bottom one here, retirement calculator, you'll see it's free. Click on there. If you want to buy me coffee, of course you can. You can put an amount there for a coffee, or you can type in 0 if you don't fancy it. Press that. Let's check out for £0 and view the content. Download. Open. Great up. Let's save it first. Open it from our downloads. And there we go. We have the spreadsheet. Hope you find this useful, guys. Let me know how you find the spreadsheet. Please do go and download it from coffee.com. Thanks again. See you later.